You're about to witness the most satisfying couch cleaning at home video. Today I'm going to give this old couch some love. Look at the dirt. It sure has seen better days, y'all. I will show you step by step how to clean sofa at home so you can do it too. You will need to wait till the end and hear my daughter's thoughts on this cleaning adventure. First things first, protect your floors with a cloth. This is optional but recommended. Next, check the care label on your couch for specific cleaning instructions before using any upholstery cleaning product. Very important. For this job, I'm using the Bissell Little Green Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. In my case, I'm just filling it up with plain water because for the upholstery cleaning product, I'm going to be using Tuff Stuff Foam Cleaner here. Moving on, before you spray the product, vacuum away any loose debris like crumbs or pet hair. This will make your job much easier. Now let the fun begin. Spray the product on your couch. This is a pro cleaning tip if you have a big job like I have here. To make the work easy, clean the couch in sections, starting from the top and working your way down. That way the product doesn't dry out before reaching to other sections. Let the product dwell for a minute. Because this couch is extremely dirty and need a deep clean, I'm going to use an upholstery brush first to gently scrub the surface of the couch and loosen the dirt before extracting with the Bissell Green Machine. Okay, now look how the dirt is coming off just like that. Now this is so satisfying, y'all. If you're getting any value from this video, may you hit that like button so the video can spread to more people. Thank you so much for your support. That was some workout, y'all. Now turn on the ceiling fan or any fan or open windows if the weather permits, of course, to speed up the drying process. Okay, now the moment we have been waiting for. Look at the transformation. It's like night and day, y'all. The couch is sparkling clean, and this is how you clean sofa fabric at home, my friend. Woohoo! Look how dirty this water is, y'all. OMG! This couch. Check out these videos I suggest next for more valuable content and share with people in your life. Until next time, take care of you, my friend, because you're special. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Mom's the iced coffee.
Iced coffee? No, it's not iced coffee. It's the dirt from the couch. Does it look like iced coffee?
Yeah, it looks like melted chocolate.
Or like ice chocolate? Do you want some?
No.